Welcome to A's Basic Mathematics class. So, in the earlier video, we have learnt the multiple angles. So, that is sin 2a formula, cos 2a and tan 2a, sin 3a and cos 3a formulas. So, just we will recall it before solving the problems. That is sin 2a, you have learnt it as. So, the formula for sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. Similarly, the formula for cos 2a is, you have three formulas. One is cos square a minus of sin square a. The other one is 2 cos square a minus 1 minus 2 sin square a. So even you have learnt a formula for tan 2a. So tan 2a is 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a, and sin 3a 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Okay, the formula for cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So these are the formula for multiple angles. So we have learned and we have discussed in the previous video. So now we will try to solve the problems. If sin a is equal to 1 over 2, find sin 2a. According to the formula, sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. So we need cos a, right? So here sin a is equal to 1 over 2 he has given. So that means the numerator will be your opposite side and the denominator will be your hypotenuse. Draw a right angle triangle to find the value of cos a. So this is 1 and this is 2. So this, let me take this as x. So use the Pythagoras theorem. So that is, from here I can write it as 2 square will be equal to 1 square plus x square. So 2 square is 4. 4 is equal to 1 plus x square. So 3 is equal to x square and x will be equal to root 3. So this value will be equals to root 3. So from here, let me write the value of cos a. Cos a is equal to, that is adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent value is root 3, hypotenuse is root 2. Sorry, 2. So now we have got cos a value. So you can find the value of sin 2a. We know that, what do we know? That is sin 2a will be equals to 2 sin a cos a. So 2 into sin a value is 1 over 2, cos a value is root 3 over 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So that is 2 and 2 will get cancelled, root 3 over 2. So this is the value for sin 2a. Hope you understood. Now we will move on with the next question. So here he has clearly mentioned cos a is equal to root 3 by 2. Now he is asking you to find out cos 2a. So as earlier we have discussed, there are three formulas to find out the value of cos 2a. One is cos square a minus sin square a. The other one is 2 cos square a minus 1. Third one is 1 minus 2 sin square a. So let me use this formula, second formula, which is 2 cos square a minus 1. So however, we have cos a value, which is root 3 by 2 whole square minus 1. The square is for both root 3 as well as for 2. So this is root 3 whole square is 3 itself, 2 square is 4 minus 1. 2 ones, 2 twos. So this is 3 over 2 minus 1. So since this is in fraction, let me write this also in fraction. So this is 3 minus 2 over 2, which on further simplification, this is 1 over 2. So therefore, cos 2a value is 1 over 2. Hope you understood. We will move with the next question. So that is tan a equals to root 3, 1 by root 3. Find the value of tan 2a. Okay. So tan a is equals to 1 over root 3. So you need to find the value of tan 2a. So what is tan 2a formula? So that is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Substitute the value of tan a here. So 2 into 1 over root 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 over root 3 whole square. So 2 into 1 is 2 by root 3. So simplify the denominator, whole divided by 1 minus of 1 over 3. So this is in fraction. Let me write this also in terms of fraction. So 2 over root 3. So LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. Here it is 3 and here it is 1. Okay. So 2 by root 3 whole divided by 2 over 3. So you have multiple divisions. So what I will do is, so write this fraction in terms of reciprocal of a number. So this is 3 over 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So 3 by root 3 will be left out. So since this is a rational number, rationalize the denominator. So 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is root 3 whole square. Square root will get cancelled. 3 root 3 by 3. So 3 will get cancelled. This is root 3. So therefore tan 2a will be root 3. Hope you understood. Next question. Okay. Sin A equals 3 by 5. Find the value of sin 3A. Okay, we have a formula for sin 3A. Sin 3A is 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. So what is the value of sin A here? It is 3 by 5 minus 4 into sin cube. Sin cube is 3 by 5 whole cube. Okay, 3 3s is 9 by 5 minus 4 into 3 cube is 27 by 5 cube is 125. So 9 by 5. So this is 27 into 4. So 7 4 is 28, 4 2 is 8, plus 2 is 108 by 125. So the LCM of 5 and 125 will be 125. So this you are multiplying it by 25 and this you are multiplying it by 1. So this is 225 minus of 108. When you subtract this 15 minus of 87. 1 remains 117 over 125. Okay. Next question. Cos A equals to 4 by 5. Find the value of cos 3A. So cos 3A value is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Okay. Cos A value is, however, he has mentioned in the question, which is 4 over 5 whole cube minus 3 into 4 by 5. So this is 4 into 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, minus 3 4 is 12, 5 as it is. So 64 into 4, that is 256 over 125 minus 12 over 5. So the LCM of 5 and 125 is 125. So this you'll multiply it by 25. So this is 256 minus of 25 into 12 is 300. So this is minus 44 over 125. Further cancellation is not possible. So this is your answer. So that is cos 3a will be equals to negative 44 over 125. Hope you understood. Next question. If tan a equals 3 by 4, find the value of tan 3a. Okay, so we have a formula for tan 3a. So tan 3a is 3 tan a minus tan cube a. Okay, by 1 minus 3 tan square a. So 3 into tan a value is 3 by 4 minus tan cube a. Tan cube a is 3 by 4 whole cube by 1 minus 3 into tan square a. Tan square a is 3 by 4 whole square. Okay, properly you need to simplify this. So this is 3 3s is 9, 9 by 4, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, whole divided by 1 minus 3 into 3 square is 9 by 16. Okay, further on simplification, this one 9 over 4 minus of 27 over 64 whole divided by 1 minus 9 3 is 27 by 16. This I'll write it as 1 by 1. So the LCM of 4 and 64 is 64. This you will multiply it by 16 and this you will multiply it by 1. 16 9s is 144 minus of 27 whole divided by, here the LCM is 16. So into 16 and into multiplied by 1, 16 minus of 27. So this is 14 minus of 7 is 7. So 3 minus of 2 is 1, 117 by 64. This is negative 11 by 16. So since you have multiple divisions, so what I will do is, let me write the reciprocal of the second fraction. So this will be multiplied by 16 by minus 11. So 16 ones are 16 fours are 64. So this is 117 by negative 44. So this is your final answer. Here in the question, find the value of 3 sine 10 minus 4 sine cube 10 degree is saying. Okay, we have already a formula, that is sine 3a equals 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. This is the formula we have. Now he has given in the reverse form, that is 3 sine 10 degree minus of 4 sine third cube 10 degree. So this I can write it as sine 3a. So this is in the form of 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. I can write it as sine 3a. Sine 3a, here a is nothing but 10 degree. Okay. So 3 into 10 is 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is a standard value. Sine 30 is 1 over 2. Hope you understood. Next question. Cot A is equal to 12 by 5 he has given. So, sorry, it is cot A equals 12 by 5. So, now he is asking you to write down what is the value of sine 3A and cos 3A. So, use the right angle triangle to find out what is sine A and cos A. According to the formula, cot A is nothing but adjacent by opposite. So, this is my right angle triangle. Suppose if this is my opposite side, then definitely this will be my adjacent. 90-degree opposite will be my hypotenuse. So using the Pythagorean triplet, so this is 5, this is 12, and definitely this is 13. I'm using the Pythagorean triplet. From here I will write what is the value of sine A. Sine A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, which is equals to 5 by 13. In the similar way, cos A also I will write cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, which is 12 over 13. Now he is asking you to find out the value of sine 3a. In the first question you need to find out what is sine 3a. Sine 3a formula is 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. So 3 into sine a value is 5 over 13 minus 4 into 5 by 13 whole cube. Okay, 5 3s is 15, 15 by 3 minus 4 into 5 cube is 125. What is the value of sine 13 cube? 13 13s is 169. 169 multiplied by 13. So 169 into 13 will be 2197. Okay, so further on simplification, so that is this is 15 over 13 minus 125 multiplied by 5 will be 4 will be 500 over 2197. So the LCM of 13 and 2197 will definitely be 2197 itself. This you are multiplying it by 169. 13 square 169, and this you are multiplying it by 1. So 15 into 169. 15 into 169 is 2535 minus of 500. Okay. Further when you simplify this, so this is 2035 by 2197. Okay. Done. Next question. In this similar question, we have one more question, that is cos 3a. Cos 3a, I can write it as 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So 4 into cos a value was, so 12 over 13 whole square minus 3 into cos a value is 12 over 13. So this is 3 cube. So 4 into 12 cube is 12 square is 144. 144 into 12 is 1728 by. So this is however 2197 minus of 12 2s are 24 by 13. So let me multiply 1728 by 4. So this will be 6912 over 2197 minus of 24 over 13. The LCM will be 2197. So this you are multiplying it by 1 and this you are multiplying it by 169. So 6912 minus, so what is the number, that is 24 multiplied by 169. So this is 4056. So when you subtract it by from 6912, so this will be 2856 over 2197. Okay, hope you have understood this. Okay, next question. So here tan A is show that tan A equals tan of A minus B plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan of A minus B into tan B, it is there. So I'll take whatever is there in the LHS. So he has given just a tan A. So from tan A, you need to get this RHS. So it's for that reason what I'll do is I'll subtract B and add B for this tan A. Okay, now I'm pairing this A minus B and I'm just giving pairing B itself. Okay, so this I can write it as A minus B I'm pairing, and then B will be paired with single. So tan, this I'll take it as tan x plus tan of x plus 5. So you have this formula, right? So tan of A plus B formula. What is tan of A plus B formula? That is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So now I'll apply the formula here. So this is completely A and this is B itself. So this is tan A minus B plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan of A minus B into tan B. So hope you have got your RHS. Okay, hence proved. Next question. Prove that cos 2a divided by 1 plus sin 2a is equal to cos a minus sin a divided by cos a plus sin a. So consider the LHS, whatever is given. So that is cos 2a by 1 plus sin 2a. So cos 2a, I have three formulas. Among that, I'll be using this formula, that is cos square a minus sin square a. Okay, so this one I will write it as a plus b whole square, that is cos a plus sin a, cos square a plus sin square a. Okay, one I can write it as basic identity, basic trigonometric identity, that is cos square a plus sin square a is 1. So 1 I'll be writing it as cos square a plus sin square a once again. So this one I'll write it as cos square a plus sin square a. So one more formula, sin 2a formula I have, which is sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. I will use that formula. I'll write this as 2 sin a cos a. Okay, in the numerator you have it is in the form of a square minus b square. You can write it as a plus b into a minus b. So numerator I will write it as cos a plus sin a into cos a minus sin a. Okay, whole divided by a square plus b square plus 2ab. Denominator you have it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this I will write it as a plus b whole square. So this I will write it as cos a plus sin a whole square. One time and one time will get cancelled. Okay, so what is left out is cos a minus sin a by cos a plus sin a. So which is your RHS. Hope you have understood this.